Action!
Okay, folks, another cocktail for another day. Cam, Teresa, I hope you guys are well. I haven't seen you on the circuit too much lately. 6 days ago. I hope you guys didn't get flooded out in that terrible rainstorm that we had in New York and New Jersey. More than rain, it was a storm. You know, hope you guys are doing well. Anyhow, my shout-outs today, I'm going to give some special shout-outs. One is to One Drink, 3 Bars. One drink, 3 bars. Why not 3 drinks and 3 bars? But 1 drink, 3 bars. I got it. And also to my great friend down there in Australia, Andrew at Angry Cocktails. Andrew, next week I'm going to give a law thing that's a crazy law from Australia. But today I got to stick with the USA, okay? And one of them is, it's illegal, it's in San Francisco, California, of course. Where else would San Francisco be? I don't think it would be in Massachusetts, do you? I don't think so. It is unlawful to use used underwear when you come out of the car wash to dry your car. So if you don't have a towel, don't take off your underwear because it's unlawful to do that. You can't use used underwear.
Can you use clean underwear then?
You can use clean underwear, but you have to prove it's clean.
Oh, okay, just checking.
Okay? And if it has skid marks, don't use it at all. And in the state of Washington, it is illegal to have sex with a virgin. Even if you're married, you just got married and you're on your honeymoon, you cannot have sex with a virgin. So,
okay.
in Washington, including in your wedding night, if your wife's a virgin, you can't have sex. So it's like a catch-22 situation. She's never going to be not a virgin. I don't understand. I'm having a dilemma here.
Are you perplexed?
I am perplexed. I am bewildered. I am completely lost on that. Today I'm going to make a drink called Wallbanger. Harvey Wallbanger. Hey, how did you like that? Like James Bond. James Bond. Wallbanger. Harvey Wallbanger.
Very good.
Very good. And here we go. I got my glass. I got my vodka. I'm going to put in 1.5 ounces of vodka. 1.5 ounces of vodka. That's not enough. Got to add in a little bit more vodka. This is 1/2 ounce of vanilla vodka. Whoop. I was a little over. I don't like to go over. You know that, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. I go over every week.
Every day.
Every day?
Every day.
And 4 ounces of orange juice.
And no fresh squeeze today, huh?
No, I'm saving the squeezing for later, because I'll be squeezing something. And you're supposed to have a stirry thing to stir this up a little. Get this mixed up here, Joe. Now I gotta pour 1/2 ounce of Galliano. You're supposed to float it on the top, they say.
We'll see if it floats, won't we?
I don't think it's gonna float. Same color as the orange juice.
Yeah. Who knows?
Yeah.
The shadow knows.
The shadow knows.
Oh.
It's a shadow, and they do know. Here's looking at me. What were you?
Oh, thank you.
Just looking at everybody.
All right.
I think I'm going to stir this up. I don't know why they want me to float it on the top if I got to stir it up. I gotta put garnish on this thing. I almost forgot.
Oh my gosh. And I didn't remind you.
I got an orange on there. Well, actually, it's a candy orange and a cherry. And I got my friendly giraffe over there, Gerard the giraffe.
You got a broken umbrella.
And I got a twisted umbrella. I don't know where that umbrella came from, but it's got to go back. And this drink is quite tasty. I haven't had a drink like this. This Wallbangers used to be popular in the 1970s when disco was alive.
Yay.
You know disco? Disco here, disco there. Okay? Oh. Here's to everybody. Cheers. Oh. And guess what? We have a Harvey Wallbanger cake. It's a Harvey Wallbanger cake. Karen just made it, and it is delicious.
How do you know? It's still hot.
Because I had
You licked the bowl.
I licked the bowl. I licked, not the toilet bowl, I licked the cake bowl. Thank you folks for watching. Don't forget, get a vaccine, wear a mask, say hello to your mama, Cocktail Tony, over and out.